Welcome to Bootstrap Station, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. And today we are going to fix the touchpad scrolling problem, that is reverse or natural scrolling. And the problem is touchpad scrolling broken. So this video works for all Linux distros. By the way, I'm using MX Linux, okay? And in the text editor also the natural scrolling isn't working. So copy this command from here and type it into the terminal and press enter. Now here you see these values, vertical and horizontal scroll delta, these 77, okay, remember these. And let's launch the settings from here. Just a minute. And here you can see in the settings we have this mouse and touchpad. Just found your mouse and touchpad settings, and here we have tick the reverse scroll direction, okay? You can see the highlighted text here, but still it's not working, okay? So after remembering these two values, you have to launch this command into the terminal, copy and paste it, click on paste. As we are using sudo here, which requires root access, it may ask you for the password, so just enter the password when it requires. And now here go to the last here and press enter. Press tab and type these values here, tab, just a sec, let me show you these one, okay? And inside these you have to place those values that we just got from this command. We had 77, so just put a negative sign after this and paste these both commands here. You can just copy paste them, okay? Copy them from here, just delete this line and Control Shift V to paste. Click on paste if it asks for it, and you have to align these ones. Press tab here, okay, and now you got it. These one, both values. In the keyboard press Ctrl O to write these values and press enter. Now you have 24 total lines. Ctrl X to exit. What if we don't have the file synaptics.conf in the edcx11xorg.d folder while we are pasting these values? Let's see. So here's the file name and I'm typing it, and you can see that I am not having this synaptics.conf file. And if I execute this command here, you can see it's an empty file. So don't save these values in this empty file, otherwise you will not be able to boot into the system. Alright, so type Ctrl X to exit from here. Now what you have to do is go to this location, ls user share x11 xorg.conf.d. Here we have 4 files, okay? So these are the configuration files in which our touchpad values are listed. Alright, so if in this folder, this one right here, if you do have any one files out of these with integers in front and synaptics at the last, or some of these files, anyone related to touchpad other than the keyboard, okay, then you have to edit the same file which has integer in front, okay, from this folder. Otherwise, if it's not, then we are going to edit a file from these ones. So how we choose the file? The file with the highest integer in front will be the one in which we are going to paste these values. Alright, so we are going to edit this file, the last, okay? So type the command sudo nano space and this file name with this directory, okay? So let me copy this directory and then this file name 70-synaptics.conf, okay? So here is the file name. So we are going to edit this file from here. So press enter here, and now you see a lot of values in here, okay? So where to place these values? Just search for touchpad here. Here you see touchpad is here, touchpad catch all. So in this section you have to place these values, okay? Others are not. Alright, you can see here we have match is touchpad, and in others we don't have this option match is touchpad, okay? So find where you find like this one touchpad and match is touchpad. Okay, here you have to place these values. So come near here until here, press enter, tab to come to this indentation level. Okay, now copy these values, copy them and paste them here. Okay, click on paste and align these values. Okay, so they have successfully aligned. Control O to write, press enter, Control X to exit. So we have successfully wrote this file, the one with highest integer in front. Okay, this file. So let me show you firstly that if we had this file, so let's get the contents of this file. Now we are printing the characters of this file, press enter, and here you see, let's find lib touchpad. Okay, so here it is, touchpad, okay, catch all and match is touchpad. So we have to paste these values right here after this line. If this file has highest integer of all of the files in that folder, okay, then you have to edit this file and place the values after this line in the touchpad. Okay, but here we had in this file, so we edited this file. Okay, now after doing this all, you have to restart your PC. Okay, so I am just going to restart now and will show you that it really works or not. In the browser also it's not working, so we will be just restarting the PC and let's see if it works or not. Now we have just done the restart and it's working in Chrome, which was not working before, but it has fucked up all the places where it was working before. So it is not working in Chrome, the reverse scrolling direction. Okay, so just open mouse and touchpad settings and just untick this reverse scroll direction. Okay, and close it, and now see if it is working in Firefox. Yes, it is working in Firefox and working in Chrome also. So we have just fixed all of the places. So now we have all the places where the reverse scroll direction, or we can say natural scrolling, is working. Okay, in every place. Alright, so please subscribe to support Boost Up Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.